Is it just me, or are these hype boxes getting smaller and smaller, man? I swear, like, the boxes used to come, like, pretty darn big, but I guess that's when they had shoes. They still sell shoes in them, trust me. It's just I haven't gotten a box with shoes in them in, like, kind of a long time. But you know what? That's okay. Sometimes bigger is not always better, dude, because you can get, like, box logos, you can get, like, North Face parkas. If we get a freaking North Face Gore-Tex jacket, though, I'm gonna lose my shiz, man, because I swear the last two back-to-back videos we did, both of the money pieces were the parka, which isn't bad, but we need some variety on here, man. We can't just keep opening parkas over and over. We might just be buying parkas. But anyway, we have a $1,000 Soul Steals hype box right here, and I am stoked to open it. So stay tuned. That is coming up next.
This is one thing. I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme when I was obsessed with time. All I know, time was just
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you once again with another Soul Steals hype box. These hype boxes have been very, very dope, man. But like I was saying, we're trying to find something a little bit different than that North Face Supreme parka, which, don't get me wrong, man, I really love that parka. That thing is dope. But we've had it in 3 different videos already, so you know, we're gonna try to mix it up, hopefully. I'm hoping this box comes through it. Like I was saying, it is like an average size shoe box, so I don't really know what could be in here. There's obviously no shoes in here. There might actually be shoes in here. I don't know, I hear cardboard in there. Anyway, if you guys have never heard of a hype box before, these are basically Hypebeast mystery boxes that are sold from soulsteals.com. Soulsteals.com is a membership website where you have the opportunity to buy hype boxes, shoes at discounted prices. They got mystery tees which are like 70 bucks, I think. They had like Brooklyn box logos in there. They had like the split CDG Supreme box logo as well. So yeah, I don't know, those are really dope. I gotta pick one of those up, man, because it looks like a lot of fun. 75 bucks for a tee, and I mean, it's a Supreme tee no matter what, so no matter what, you're getting something good out of it. So I think that's pretty cool, and if you have the opportunity to get a Brooklyn box logo, which is like 600 something bucks out of it, that would be insane. So it's a really cool site, check it out, link in the description below. Like we showed in that last video with the StockX instant sells, not every box is meant to be like, you know, made for profit, especially if you sell on like online resources where they take a 10% fee. It's not gonna work really well. When you get to the higher tier boxes though, that's when you could probably make a lot more money, even with the fees. So that's why we have a $1,000 Soul Steals hype box here. I am excited to open it, and enough talking, let's just get into it. First impressions. Oh man, that is sick. Okay, I'm never gonna complain. Well, I mean, I wasn't even complaining, but I'm never gonna get upset about seeing a small box ever again. The smaller boxes, you can fit like really high heat in here because there's less space, so obviously the money piece is like a lot bigger. And trust me, this one is big. It's pretty dope, dude. Like, oh, it's pretty cool. Anyway, let's get into it. So the first thing out of the box is we have a Supreme shoulder bag, and this is the tan version. I think this is from last season though. Yeah, this is the last season bag, I think. You guys can see over here, it has a Supreme running down the side, also has Supreme on the front. And I feel like the tan colorway is one of the better colorways that came out. It's a lot more functional than like a bright red or the blue one that came out as well. So I really like this piece. I might end up keeping this. Oh, this is pretty nice. These prices are actually rising really fast too. So anytime you guys have accessories like this, you should hold on to them for at least 1 season because prices will shoot up. So first piece, really dope, like this. Oh, this is cool. What is this? Is this a thermos? It looks like a Supreme thermos, I think. Oh, yeah, I saw my friend SB Mitch actually open one of these on his channel. You can see over here, there's like a little spoon over here. It says Supreme right over the top. Thermos food jar. So yeah, I mean, you can put like soup, I'm guessing, in here and like other kinds of food. It says thermos food jar. So if you need it hot or you need it cold, that's what a thermos is. So this is kind of dope. Not really much Supreme branding on here though, so I'm kind of surprised that they didn't really like put like a huge box logo Supreme on it, you know. This is kind of cool. I like this. I like this. So we got 2 more pieces left, and that last one is just staring at me. This next one is a bathing 8-piece though, and it looks like it is a, oh, this is kind of cool. So it's that by bathing 8T. You guys can see over here, has like a camel pattern all over the front, which is kind of dope. If you guys watched the videos in the past, I was trying to get into bait, like I was literally trying to get into bait, but the shirts and stuff are like really, really heavy material. Heavy shirts are hard to wear here because then you just start sweating, and especially in white, like, I don't know. This one is a nice piece though, dude. I like the camel vibes on this. Should I try to make a babe comeback and wear this one? I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, we got to the last piece of the box. I'm just gonna show you. No more build up. No more build up. We got a Supreme box logo hoodie, man. Supreme box logo, that is freaking sick. It is the black hoodie with that like lime green, kind of like neon green box logo. This one is in size large, original packaging, and it did come out last fall, winter. There was no box logos in the spring, summer, so this is technically the most recent one. You guys already know what a box logo is. Like, I'm sure on the screen over here, the value is going freaking crazy because of this box logo. Just like the accessories, over time, every single box logo will go up in value. So for the people like hitting me up on Twitter in the comments and stuff, should I hold my CDG box logo? Should I hold my hoodies and stuff? The answer is always yes, if you can. If you can't because you're like short on funds or something, then yeah, sell it like whenever you can. But every single item, because there's like a limited run and it never goes back into stock ever again, they will go up over time. If you hold, it's a good chance you'll make a lot more money down the line, but it may take a lot of months, even some years, before it like shoots up in value. So things to be aware of. I just like sharing the knowledge that I have with you guys. And this one, God, I might end up keeping this, dude. This one is a really functional piece, that's why, because it's black. Ugh. Should I keep it? Let me know in the comments below. I feel like I should keep this one. I'm really excited over this. I do like this, but I do have a lot of black already. You guys can see in the back over there. That's like half of my clothes. I need some color in my life, I feel like. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. It was a nice hype box. Like, we got a bathing 8T, we got the accessory thermos, we got the accessory shoulder bag, which I could technically keep everything in this box, I just realized. Oh, well. Except for this. So yeah, I don't know, this could end up being a really bad thing for me, and that's kind of the problem with hype boxes sometimes, is that you'll get stuff in that you actually like, and then you're kind of sitting on the fence like, should I sell this or should I keep it? That's what's cool about it, man. And I mean, Solstice is a whole bunch of different stuff. I should probably buy one of those Supreme mystery tees. I probably won't win, which is fine, but it'd be kind of cool to see how it works, you know? Anyway, thank you guys again for watching this video. We will be doing a pretty cool video, like hopefully in the next couple days, where I'm going to be comparing a $1,000 laced up box with a $1,000 Solstice hype box and just kind of seeing where is the better value. We've done this before, but it was on a smaller scale. I think those boxes were 500 bucks each. These are gonna be 1,000. So if we get boxes like this, it's gonna be crazy both ways, hopefully. So yeah, stay tuned for that. That will be coming up next week. But until then, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots!